Hey guys, what's happening? How to long on Kraken app. So, if you're trying to trade with long trades, it means on Kraken wallet that you're gonna hold or buy the crypto, expecting that crypto will go high, right? All-time high, yeah, for some people. So, what you're gonna do? Just go ahead and hit trade at the bottom right, and then what you're gonna do also, you're gonna move on in, hit buy. First option, you're gonna buy crypto with cash, right? And buying crypto means you expecting that Bitcoin or any other asset will go an all-time high, or expecting that Bitcoin or any other asset that it will go at a certain price, right? For instance, crypto will go, let's say, 150,000 by the end of the year. So we're gonna select Bitcoin, right? And enter that amount. Cancel. Select the payment method. Let's say, yeah, MasterCard. And select the amount really, and the minimum is $10. So I'm gonna continue, and then hit confirm. And now I'm buying and holding Bitcoin at a certain price, right? And I'm expecting that Bitcoin will go at all time high. Excuse me. So this video is not financial advice. So always trade with caution and do your own research before making any financial decision. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the